Hoyeng November ki tang ahum da state kya lakpa government employees la kaya na saruk yaduna laibak asigi konung New Delhi gi Ramlila Maidan dagi Parliament House fawba chatkadoriba mass rally asida saruk yaruna ba Jiribam district ki paumi ani yauna chatkiba delegate sing asi ayuk Delhi Youkhre Timbasina All Delhi Railway Station hek yaubaga Delhi da hana thungduna lairiba Manipur Government Services Federation Manipur Government Higher Secondary Lecturers Welfare Association Manipur na taramna okhi Manipur Government Services Federation Manipur ki Treasurer Aribam Indubala Devi na haikibada Hayeng Ramlila Maidan da Bharat Pumba ki miyoi lakh ama henbana National Pension Scheme NPS ki mahutta hanagi ariba All Pension Scheme OPS chatna hanbiyu amadi 8 Pay Commission chatna hanbiyu haiba demand taunaba mass rally asida saruk yanaba ikoi lakjabani loinana Achauba rally asida nupi ne hena masing yamna saruk yaduna achauba khongchat asi chachagani haina fongdoki Delhi ki mass rally asida Jiribam district ki oina saruk yaribi delegate Bharati na haikibada aikoi employees singa sigi rightful oiba demand
Khongjang namaste and good morning to everyone. Today we all have reached Old Delhi railway station. We have
Panbayapadi All India State Government Employees Federation AISGEF Amadi Confederation of Central Government Services CCGS ani yilamjing makada hayeng State Amadi Central Government Employees Lakh Henbana Saruk Chat Yaduna Chatkadoriba Delhi Chatlogi Khongchat Asida Manipur Government Higher Secondary Lecturers Welfare Association Manipur Government Services Federation Manipur State Pension Union Amadi Manipur Secretariat Services Association ki delegate Chamaromna Saruk Yagani Hairi
Manipur dagi luxury that National Pension Scheme and IPA Commission. So many problems in Chigi the Mata Kona, Laksabani, India, Pumbagi, Bharat Pumbagi, Nami, Lak Amadi Mataka, Ramlila Madanda, Hayang November Gitari, Ahum Sida, Hingadalba, Achava, Adi Sida, Manipur dagi delegate Chama Sadak Yajagada Adogi, Nasi Jiribam district Oina. Lakpasida ko ahana lagzara liba Imphal dagi akoina otsaba laksabani aduga loina na hayang November Guddat sida kalgadoriba sida akoiga achauba dhana mi lak amagi mathakta tingadoriba sida Manipur gi damakta akoina delegate team sida nupi mahila gi achauba akoigi Khongjang aduga loina na nupi na masi lena akoigi laktana akoigi nupi gi women empower gi damakta akoina akoigi Changsinnaba Khongjang sida lena akoigi yungi adugumba achimba nupi mana akoigi awaba mayam ama imung manungi problem punamak na koi maraka nathai maramaga akoina akoigi hak ase tandaba yade thandaba yade haibagi adumba pandamda luxury
Manipur Government Services Federation ki delegation team mama ayeng 3rd November 2023 ki Ramlila Maidan da Pathokadaba Achauba rally Bharat Pumbagi rally sida Jiribam district ki delegation team mama hojik All Delhi Railway Station na thungadana pung tare ka mitra wa sida koi mayamna kar advance oina lakpa advance party na hit tawdana mayam puna asoi ngam yaudana ingna tapna lembir bayo pun atu kumadik agar pamadi nungai ponduk chari loina na hayengi tawdo mayam sing sigi tamakta akoi koren khana nei na ba adu musu tokani adu ga loina na about the accommodation the fooding everything adu arrange tawna mayamna everybody participate tawagi sau yabagi mai pahan nabagi thorum mayam sida puna magna mating pangbigani loina na media gi kamu sing lembi rakna achoba mating pangbigase masi damakta adu mari thakachari